good size. Video game? Huh? Jewelry, gross! People think I like her.
Hey, I've never been to a party. You think you could take me?
Krypto! What's wrong, boy?
Kevin, is everything okay in there?
Yes, Mom.
Kevin, what's happening?
I think I know.
So, what is red kryptonite?
It's a chunk of the planet Krypton, and it has weird effects on anybody from there. Like Superman, or you, me, whatever.
Well, how long's it gonna last?
Says here, a whole day. But that means...
I'm going to a party.
I told you no! Bad boy, now come on!
You're gonna tell me how to act, right?
Sure, that's why I'm here.
Aw, for me? Oh, no dogs allowed, Kevin. This is a people party. Dogs jump up on people.
Huh? Not all the time.
You can stay, but Krypto has to go. How does pin the tail on the donkey sound?
Really painful?
Poor Krypto. But that leaves me free as a dog. Oops! Something tells me I better go home. Hey, I can fly there! Yahoo! Whoa! Hey, this is fun! Ah! Whoa!
Skyhawk!
Sorry! I gotta work on those landings.
No more apple bobbing for you.
Okay.
Here, have something to eat and calm down. Sometimes Kevin's so silly, even for a boy. Kevin! What is the matter with you?
Sorry, what'd I do? I didn't mean it. I'm a good boy.
I want you to sit here and stop making trouble.